Okay, have you heard of the viral sleep hack mouth tape? Well, I decided to try it for myself because I never feel refreshed in the morning and I've seen so many reviews and benefits from using it. I tried ZZTape and let me tell you, everything I've heard is right. The magic tape is like a dream. Easy to apply, breathable, comfy, and I really do wake up feeling way more refreshed. It's absolutely crazy. No joke. 30 days of shut mouth sleep and I'm legit feeling like a brand new person. It's amazing. Morning peel off, that's a breeze too.